Oh boy, that looks way better. Oh, the WPL has done a great job replicating 110 scale of this minivan that was very popular in China back then. What's up guys? Welcome back to LRC. So today I'm so excited to do this video because we have D42 here. You guys have been asking for a van body for quite some time, so we just skip D32, we skip D32 and straight away release this D42. I think in 2021 we have only released one main product, right? There's only D42 and nothing else. Let me know in the comment section what main product we have released this year. Maybe I forgot because there's so many models. So like the D12, this is a 110 scale, and my first impression as I unbox this is like, wow, this is so cute! Now let's check out the box art. This is officially licensed by Tianjin Dafa, and the box art here makes it look like a Tamiya box art, isn't it? At the moment, the first batch is Chinese version on the box art, even though the website shows English one. But the English version of this D42 box is being translated now. So maybe you want to collect a Chinese version and also English version. Chinese version is like a tribute to this minivan. In China, it's called a bread van, which is released in 1983. I'm sure you're gonna be amazed with what you see in front. You have to unbox one yourself to feel what I mean. Wow. So this has been unboxed before and it's a pre-production model. The actual one may be a little bit different than like this. And take a look at this. Oh my god. The camera probably can't even show you how amazing this is. So like a tiny little yellow van. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's take a look at the details. It's a 110 scale, and wheelbase is 10 mm shorter than D12. D12 is 190 mm. This is 180 mm wheelbase. Left-hand drive, the steering wheel, there's handbrake. Oh, there's also like sort of like glove box area for you to put your stuff. The indicators here, the screen, grille. So here's the undercarriage. If you own the D12, you see some similarity here. For example, now the rear battery hatch is open by pushing or pulling this, which also acts as an exhaust pipe. Because the wheelbase is shorter, and the drive shaft is shorter as well. So we released a separate rear metal axle upgrade for the D42. And according to Huang, he has beefed up the gears in the gearbox. Still using the same 2-cell battery, lithium ion. It also comes with a USB charger, so you can hook this up to any USB source to charge your battery. In the next video, I'm gonna do a separate video to show you what are some of the similarity and differences between D42 and D12. There's a manual that comes in Chinese and also English. Thank you, Sam, for helping with the translation. You can refer to the menu here for installing these tiny parts, as well as the decals over here. I know this is already pre-cut, but actually it's better to cut it smaller. The orientation of the tail light, you can refer to the photo on the website. So I was told this part is the toughest. Let's see. Have it cut out like that first, then split it into two parts. Okay, the moment of truth. Yes, I made it. And the second one. Oh yeah. Alright, perfect. If you want to make this a taxi version, you can stick this decal over here. There's a provided double-sided tape, and then stick it over here. Oh boy. That looks way better, lot better, very much better with the parts and decal installed. Damn cute van this is. Good job again from WPL. You're so gonna love your D42, and I'm sure a lot of you are planning what to do, what to modify on this already. So now let's go out for a run. Alright, so to turn it on, to start playing with your D42, you're gonna turn on the remote, turn on the switch over here. So it's in waiting for binding mode. If you push your throttle, there is no reaction. Okay, you're gonna steer left or right to bind it. So this is a new procedure. I need to trim my steering alignment. Okay, and so my steering works left, right, and throttle and reverse. For those who don't know, you may have to push your throttle twice to reverse. Let's go and see how it looks.
because it's a rather high center of gravity. It tends to well flip over easily, and you should slow down before you steer sharp turn.
Just like a D12, there's a throttle rate and a steering rate, and now I'm on a low throttle rate. If I go on a high throttle rate, way more powerful. And then the steering rate, now I'm on low rate. Put it on high rate, way more steering angle. About the D series of WPL, as another customer has said, it isn't very much about the performance, but rather the ability, the flexibility for you to customize something of your own, because these are cheap to begin with. You can do whatever you want without feeling like, well, for example, those 110 vehicle is expensive that you don't want to simply fool around with it. Well, this is cheap and it's smaller in size, so cheaper to modify. And I'm sure after this there will be a lot of aftermarket parts coming out for this, especially the body kit, just like what happened to the D12. Oops. So definitely not doing well off-road. I thought if the grass is not too tall, do a little bit. Rather cute and fun to see it bouncing around. Woohoo! That's really cute. The WPL has done a great job replicating 110 scale of this minivan. It was very popular in China back then, in 1983. You can go quite far as well. Bye! Alright, so that's the review video of this D42. If you have not gotten yet, if you have not pre-ordered, which is now ready stock and we can ship immediately, please check out the link in the description to get one of this, and also join our official Facebook group, which we have renamed from D12 official group to D12 and D42 official group. Check out link in the description, and also subscribe because there will be a part 2 video of this comparing with D12 other C series, and see whether you can make a 4-wheel drive version of this easily. Subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye!